Want to lock a Netflix profile on your Android phone to keep it private? Then this video is for you. I'll show you how to lock a Netflix profile on any Android phone. Let's get started. First up, open your Netflix app. Now on the profile selection menu, you'll see an edit icon. Tap on it. This will give all your profiles a pencil icon. Tap on the pencil icon over the profile you want to lock. Now, tap on Profile Lock. Tap Create a Profile Lock. After that, you have to enter your main Netflix password. So enter that and tap OK. Now make your 4-digit PIN code. Make sure to create something unique but also easy to remember. After creating it, confirm your choice. And your profile is now locked. Go back to the profile login page. Try to get into your profile. As you can see, your profile is now asking for the PIN code. Now your Netflix profile is protected with a PIN. No one can open it without entering the code. And that's it. That's how you lock a Netflix profile on Android using a PIN. If this guide helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.